All right, let's do this. No flirting, you two.
You were so pretty, Charles.
That's not my name.
Oh. You look so much like my third husband.
We're here to talk about the robbery, ma'am.
Robbery?
Mm-hmm. The one the police talked to you about a few days ago. Someone broke into your old house and stole a stack of bearer bonds and some jewelry that you stashed on your floorboards.
Oh, my diamonds, yes. I hid them there. I'm sorry, Charles. I didn't trust you. You were quite the bounder.
Did you tell anyone where your valuables were, Mrs. Tate?
I don't think so. But then I get a little fuzzy sometimes.
Have you noticed anything strange lately? Cold spots, smells?
Well, there's the cat.
The cat?
He talks sometimes. Really hates that mouse.
I'll interrogate the cat.
Cass, let's go.
I've almost cracked him.
Now.
Hey, I'm not through with you.
Dumbass.